Hi guys, I'm Malcolm from One Australia PTE, IELTS and NAATI coaching. Are you using the same templates again and again but still not getting your desired scores in PTE? If that is the reason, let me explain to you why that is happening again and again. See, the thing is that there are a lot of free templates available on the internet. There is an overload of free templates, to be honest with you guys. Now, all templates don't necessarily work. And the second important thing is, for any template to work, you need to know how to use the template. For example, this is one of my most popular templates ever, which you see on your screen. This was created by me years back. Hundreds and hundreds of institutes worldwide copied the same template, and for years it used to work. Until recently it used to work. But from May this year, unfortunately, this template has stopped working because it has a lot of repeat words. Like you can see on the screen, I can see on the screen, I can see. It's so easy, it's not even like a template, but it has been mostly blacklisted by PT, which means it doesn't work anymore. So the point I'm trying to make is you need to know how to use templates correctly. Same applies to the essay, same applies to summarize spoken text, same applies to retell lecture. If you want to make sure that you are using latest templates, make sure you create an account on our website mockmaster.ai. It's 100% free, and there are very affordable courses like video courses available where you can see videos which teach proper templates and techniques how to use them. If you're looking for one-to-one PTE classes, make sure that you call us on the number which you see in the comment section and the description. You can get one-to-one PTE classes, one-to-one IELTS classes and one-to-one NAATI classes with the help of our guaranteed courses. Make sure you follow our channel and make sure you comment as well. I'm Malcolm. Thank you.